Hey guys, today I'm gonna be opening my subscription box from I think they're called Addict, and I have 2 different subscriptions from them, so and I have the bag and the box. So this came in a bag, so I'm assuming this will be the bag, and I haven't opened it, and I think this is from Addict. It doesn't say who it's from or anything, but anyway, so let's see what's in this envelope. Alright, I'm going to use my new scissors. Look how cute these scissors are. It's like a mint green. I got a 3-pack of these from Amazon. So, I'm assuming this is the bag, and I don't think I would have both of them in here. But anyways, this is what's in this bag. Alright. So I've got, I think everything came out together. Yep, so that's it. And yeah, I think it is from Addict. I want to say Addict. I want to say Glow Beauty is what I really want to call it. Alright, so it looks like, and this is my second time getting this. And it didn't come with the card last time or this time. Alright, so it looks like we've got 2, 3... Looks like we've got 4 items. So I'm guessing this is their bag, which is, I think, $12.99 a month. Alright. So, this is... I'm trying to see what the brand... I guess the brand is called Sister. Yeah. Here's the front. And I'm filming for the first time on my brand new tablet. So I'm super excited, and I've moved locations. I've moved my room around this past week. But anyway, so I'm really excited, and I hope the lighting's better. It seems to be better, and I'm on a completely different side of my room. But anyway, so let me know how the quality is and the lighting. Let me know if it looks decent or whatnot. Anyways, back to the bag. So it says Eye Contour Precision Liquid Liner. And so that's, and I'm guessing it's from the brand Sister. There's the back. And it's in the shade black. It says Eye Contour Precision Liquid Liner. It is hard for the camera to focus. Anyways, I'm going to move on. Anyways, so from the brand Sister Eye Contour Black Liner, which I do not use these type liners, so I'll be putting that up for a giveaway, my giveaway pile. Then, ooh, these are pretty. These are a pair of lashes, and it says Flaunt Beauty. Look how gorgeous. And they're in the style Bad Bitch. How cute. And it says Flaunt Beauty. Premium fake mink lashes. Vegan and cruelty free. In the style Bad Bitch. Bad Bitch. Bad Bitch. Those are quite dramatic. So those are pretty. Alright, so our third item looks like a mask. It's from the brand J.J. Young by Colin Lab, and it says the Upper Rejuvenate Rejuvenate and Firming, 6 varieties, 9 combinations. So here's what all it's showing. And it says forehead sheet mask. See? And then I guess there's different types. So mine is Rejuvenate and Firming. Okay, so this is the one I got sent. Oh, and I just did my nails last week. I used brand new ones. These are from Nail Couture, the 1, 2, 3 Go press-on nails. And these are the XXL length. So they're the stilettos. They're not perfect. Some of them are a little crooked, but because it's hard to hold it and put it under the light. Anyway, so I got the Rejuvenate and Firming. Looks like you put it on your forehead and chin area. So cool, face mask. And then this is the last item. So I guess this is the big ticket item. And it's a set of brushes, and it's from the brand Beauty Creations. Right here. Well, let's open her up. I love getting brushes. So I'm excited. This looks really cute. I love adding cute brushes to my collection. So looks like we've got it's like a plasticky type bag. And it says Beauty Creations Liquid Sparkle 7-piece brush set. And it's in the color teal. So let's open her up. Oh, that's cute. It's actually a cute bag. So it's just a clear, and then it's got the you can see it. It's got the little moving glitter. You can move the glitter. There's not much liquid in there, but you can see it. And it's got the snap. So it's actually not too bad. It's good size bag. Reusable bag. That is actually really cute. So I like that. It's really good size. Alright, so let's check out the brushes. So it's like teal, and then the brush part is a pink. I absolutely love the color teal. My favorite is like mint green. And my theme is pink and minty, tealy type colors. So we have, let's see if it says like what type of brush. No. But the handle does have the glitter. That is really cute. And it is light. But this brush is actually really crazy soft. Wow. Wow, I like that. That is really, really cute. So it looks like we have 3 face brushes. And they say Beauty Creations. So we got like a decent looking fan. How cute. I've never used a fan brush. Oh, how cute. Feels nice. It really does, guys. It feels decent. I mean, they definitely don't feel high quality, but they're definitely really cute to look at and to play with. So we've got 2 of these. They look similar. This one is a little bigger. This will be great for blush and then for bronzer. And then the fan for highlight. How cute. So it comes with the 3 face brushes. And then I'm most excited because I don't always do face stuff, but I always do like to do shadow and lips. Throw that away. And then it has the 4 eye brushes. So this one looks bigger. Oh, and it's got teal glitter, and then if you look closely, You can see it's got like a neon pink stars. Trying to get it where y'all can see. So I think my light's too bright and it makes it kind of hard to see. But here's, let me turn it around. Here's one of the eye brushes. This is really cute. I'm so excited to try these out. Sorry I'm like taking forever. I'm just really excited for these brushes, guys. So it looks like we've got like a here's one type of the brush, it's got a fine point like a pencil. It's perfect to do under your eyes or to highlight. And then we've got, looks like a lip brush, so it's real flat, little, kind of pointed. So it looks like it could be a lip or to highlight. Then it has the eyebrow or liner brush where it's kind of flat and slanted. See? So it feels nice. And then you got the more dense but fluffier brush. So you could definitely do, put shadow all over. You can do like a liner. You could do liner or eyebrows. And then you've got this flat one. You can, you can do the, I can't think of what it's called. Anyways, you can do a lot with these. So that's really cool. Sorry, I'm just yapping as usual, making a video that could be really short, crazy long for me. Alright, so we got this 7-piece face and eye set. Comes with this really cute glitter bag that is actually, it's kind of cheesy. You could tell it's kind of cheaper plastic, but it really is good size, to be honest. And it's perfect to put your brushes in for traveling. That's awesome, actually. And that's from the brand Beauty Creations. So I don't know if they have a website. We got the 7-piece eye set brush with the bag. We got this Rejuvenate and Firming face mask, and I guess it has 2 separate pieces, so that's cool. I'm really excited about these from the brand Flaunt Beauty Bad Bitch. How cute, love the name. Eyelashes, so that's really cool. Then we got from the brand Sister, we got an eye contour liquid liner in the shade black. So I'm most excited about the brushes and then the liner. So out of everything, I will be keeping 3 of the 4 items in this bag. So I will be putting the liner up in my giveaway pile. So yeah, thank you guys for watching. Let me know down below if you get this subscription. It's from Glow Addict. So I'm guessing this is their bag, which is like $13 a month. It's $12.99, I think. So basically $13, and I thought you got 4 to 5 products. So it's pretty cheap, and it comes with beauty stuff. I love it. You get makeup, and you get brands that you never heard of before. So I love that. And it's cheap and cool stuff. And so I should be getting my box. Maybe it'll come in tomorrow. I'll be having lots. I have boxes that are coming my way, orders, subscriptions, and just orders. I have a Lime Crime Mystery box. Was supposed to come today. And I also had an Ipsy add-on order that was supposed to come Monday. And here it is Thursday. I don't know where the fuck these packages, like, they just, like, stop. So, I don't know. Anyways, and I've got, I think, 2 or 3 new subscriptions, that'll be coming. I have 2 jewelry subscriptions, and I ordered from Sparkle & Co., but I can't remember if I ordered their subscription box. I think I did, or I know I ordered some gel polishes and some of their acrylics, but I can't remember if I ordered the box or not. But anyways, I got Lime Crime coming, Sparkle & Co., which they haven't shipped yet. I got several Ipsy orders on the way. I'm excited about my jewelry subscriptions. So, anyways, I've got lots more videos coming. And let me know down below what y'all think about my new setup or the lighting, if the lighting seems better, and how my new tablet seems, the quality or whatnot. And yeah, I've got like a shelving thing back there, and it's where I store like junk, and I just put shit up. So it's a hot mess, so I got me a shower curtain